Do you want to know? Hey guys, it's SakiV here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, is going to be a productive day video. So basically guys, I'm just going to show you my day. But before we proceed to the video guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. So if you're wondering why I'm speaking English right now, it's because you guys commented from my previous videos and even on my TikTok account that I shouldn't speak Bisaya because you guys can understand. Why? Just why? So shout out to my English or Tagalog viewers out there. What's up? If naman galing. Kasi purpose wala ka lang pag-speak o Taglish guys if wala, diba? And you guys will not comment mo pod if kasabot mang galing tanan og Bisaya, diba? What's funny about the comment you said guys is that dapat ang mga Tagalog ang matutong mag-Bisaya. Of course, I don't want you guys to adjust or learn those Bisaya words just to understand me. That's why ako na yung nag-a-adjust. Charot. That's why I'm doing this for you guys. And besides, I'm used to it na palaging nag-a-adjust. So supposedly guys, meron kaming online class ngayon. That's why I woke up early. Pero I don't know what happened. Walang online class na nangyayari. So, since walang online class, tada! I have my mat here. Kasi usually, 10 AM ako workout. Charot. I'm starting my, weight loss journey. So, I have my mat here because I'll be doing workout. Actually, guys, I'm wearing I'm already wearing my workout clothes. Kasi I'm planning talaga na after online class mag-workout ako. So that's why I'm just wearing my workout clothes already. So since walang online class, then mag-workout na lang ako. So if you guys wanna come with me, then let's go. Let's start.
Hi! It's me! Wow! Mikey? Mikey! Mikey! Ang look at that. You want her to tickle a rub. You want me to tickle a rub? Okay. She loves it. Look at her face. And there she is, TikToking. Fun, Bob, Square Bounce, and SpongeBob blanket. Pillows, curtain, backpack. Wow, I am not a big fan of him.
Sun, how are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love.
Hey guys, I'm done with my workout and it's currently 12, so it's lunchtime na, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'll just change my clothes because I'm so sweaty. Bye!
So Saki's changing. We're gonna start a new video. Well, still.
Hey guys, I'm back and I'm just editing the vlog today. This vlog, inedit ko na siya agad because I want to upload this vlog ASAP guys, as soon as possible, Jude. And by the way, I'm done with my lunch. It's just one slice of wheat bread, and then small amount of pancit. I just put the pancit all up at the top of the bread. So I'll just see you guys later because I'll do jogging sad. Yeah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
Hey guys, so I forgot to film nung nasa bahay pa kami, and ngayon malayo-layo na kami sa bahay. Init kayo! But it's already 5 PM guys. I don't know why the sun is so bright pa jud. So that's all. Run Sako run. Okay guys, so see you later. I'm so sweaty na jud. Bye. Hey guys, so we're back. Nandito na kami sa aming bahay. Bad trip kayo guys. Kaya while nag-jogging me, and naputol po yung kadena ng kasama kong nagbabay. Kaya double workout yung nagawa ko guys, kasi nag-push pa ako ng bike at saka meron pa talagang sakay. Yan o. Ako yung nag-push sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang Tagalog ng push. Ang sakit ng braso ko guys. My muscles. Yun lang guys, see you later kasi I'm so tired. Bye bye. Tagam oy, gipatulod ko layo para basud kay to pauli. Sama to guys, bye. Hey guys, I'm done eating and I'm charging cause I'm low bat. Nice, ang saya. Charot. So guys, if you have any suggestions of next video, then feel free to comment down below because I'm running out of content guys, so I need your suggestions for my upcoming videos. And since matagal na akong hindi nakapag-shoutout guys, so ngayon mag-shoutout tayo. And ang mga i-shoutout ko ay from my previous videos, so I'll just scroll and then stop. So random run guys. Okay, so for the first na to shoutout. So shoutout to Jan Balanay, Orsi Artida, Joey Busano Gonzon, Marisa Ocanada, and lastly guys is Clarita Reyes. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, for watching my videos, and yeah, that's all. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please give a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell below to get notified whenever I post new video, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!